Today, I want to cover the concept of a company account and Whispir. Whispir is one of the leading communications platform available in the market today, which supports multi-channel communications through different channels like email, SMS, voice, push notifications, and different social media channels like WhatsApp, Facebook, and Twitter. In this session, I want to talk about how does the structure of a company account looks like. In Whispir, a company account is tagged to an organization. So any customer who wants to get onboarded to the Whispir platform needs to have a company account set up for them. You can compare a company account to an organization. A company account can have multiple workspaces. Workspaces can be tagged to different departments within a company account, and they are logically separated in such a way that only specific people or users who have access to that specific workspace will be able to either create templates or send messages from that workspace. There is no limit on number of workspaces you can create within a company account. But access to the workspaces are restricted based on the roles and permissions that are defined at a workspace level. Users. When we talk about users, these are the individuals who have access to the company account, as well as to specific workspaces. For accessing the company account and workspaces, any individual need to have a valid user license. So you can add multiple users within the company account, but each user license is chargeable on a monthly recurring fee. Mobile apps is applicable more from a push notification perspective, where you can add multiple mobile apps under a single company account and send push notifications to those mobile apps using Whispir push notification REST APIs, as well as Whispir web portal. Callbacks is a concept in Whispir where you can send an information back to the source system by posting the response to the application endpoint in an XML or a JSON format. Under the company account, also the activity logs are captured for the users who are doing certain activities under the company or under specific workspaces. This is more of an audit log about the different activities done by different user individuals inside the company. Now, under workspaces, there are certain specific feature sets that can be executed by the users who have access to the workspaces. Like the workspace users can send messages, can create templates, can add contacts. Now, contacts are the recipients who are added into the Whispir platform, and the data can be used for sending message communications to them. So contacts, you can correlate them to the end recipient who will be receiving the message. If you have stored contacts in the Whispir platform, then you can create distribution lists to add a list of contacts based on a specific criteria and send out message communications directly to the distribution list instead of selecting individual contacts who should be receiving them. You can also define response rules within the Whispir platform. Response rules are predefined rule set which shows the categorization of the response in a dashboard format when the response is received from the recipients. You can see that we also have resources and reports listed under the workspaces. The resources here we are talking about are the resource files that you upload for sending out the bulk messages like the CSV files, or also any attachments you're uploading as part of the messaging life cycle. They are uploaded against the workspace within a company account. And when we talk about reports, so all the reports that are available within the Whispir platform, they're accessible at a workspace level. And you can generate reports either for a single workspace or a cluster of workspace if you have access to those workspaces. Under messages, we also have message status and message responses. So within messages, you can see the status of each message that has been sent across using Whispir message dashboard, as well as can see the message responses that has been received against that specific message from a specific individual. Devices are listed in the contacts, and they are mainly applicable for push messages. So whenever you are sending out most push messages, you need to add the device token and that are added against the contact within the Whispir platform. So once you send out a push notification to a contact, the push notification is triggered to the registered device, and the end recipient will receive the push notification on his mobile handset. So this is a high-level structure of a company account in Whispir. Thanks for watching the video.